Hi, my name is Alex, and in this session we'll discuss how to use the sort recipe to order a dataset. The primary use case for the sort recipe is to arrange the rows of a dataset according to values of one or more sort columns. For example, we can order a transaction log from the order with the largest value to the lowest. Now let's look at a live project. Our scenario starts with a dataset representing the order log for a retail company. We want to sort the rows so that the orders within each month are sorted in descending value, and can do this with the sort recipe. In the flow, I'll select the orders dataset. This opens a menu of visual recipes on the right side of the screen, from which I'll select Sort. This opens the recipe creation dialog, and orders is already listed as an input. Optionally, we can give the output dataset a more descriptive name, or change the output storage location. Then click Create Recipe. This adds the sort recipe to the flow, and brings us to the Recipe's Sort tab. We'll choose to sort by order date year, then order date month, and finally, total. And we'll change the sort order for total to descending. We can compute some additional statistics to be added as new columns for each row. Other steps provide additional options for refining the input and output of the recipe. Filters allows you to keep or drop rows based on your criteria. Computed columns allows you to create new columns based on SQL or DSS compute syntax. Finally, let's look at the output step. This gives you a chance to review the columns of the output and their storage types. However, Dataiku DSS reminds us that databases do not maintain the order of rows. We can go to the Input-Output tab of the sort recipe in order to change the output dataset. We can create a new one with a new name and save it into the managed file system as, say, a CSV. Then we can go back to the Settings tab. Additionally, we can set the engine that will be used at runtime. Although our output dataset is a CSV file, the sort is run in SQL on the database. When running on an SQL or Spark engine, you can view the query underlying the recipe. Here it uses an order by command, and you can convert it into a code recipe that you can further customize. Now we'll save and run the recipe. When the job finishes running, you can see the details of the job and explore the output dataset. We can also go back to the flow and see how it has been extended to include the new recipe and dataset. Thanks for watching. To learn more about our visual recipes, see other entries in this series and learning resources on our website.